Key factors for agricultural growth. Climate. Climate is the dominant factors that influence agriculture. Climate is very important. It influences agriculture. Plants thrive best under certain climatic conditions which also determine their growth period. The annual and seasonal distribution of rainfall determines the available water supply to plants and the active growth period of crops. Under climate, there are two important factors that are temperature and rainfall, which affect the growth of plant. Different type of crops require different temperature and amount of rainfall. Soil. Soils determine the type of crops that can be grown in any region. Most crops require specific soil characteristics. Different type of crops require different type of soils. Like for example, for the growth of cotton, black soil is the suitable soil. For the growth of rice, well-drained soil is the best soil. So different type of soils are required for cultivation of different crops. Next factor is relief and drainage. Relief means the type of landform, whether it is mountain or plain or plateau. And drainage. The agricultural regions are located largely in the plains, like for example, like Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Punjab, Rajasthan, Assam, West Bengal. Rugged relief hinders farming. Rugged relief like hills and mountains, they hinder farming. In these areas, farming is very difficult. A good drainage system means a supply of river water that favors irrigation. Human factor like social, economic and political factors all play an important role in influencing the type of agriculture practice and even the crops and animals that are grown and raised. Human factor also affect agriculture growth. The factors like social factor, in their region, which type of crops are grown, which type of crops are mainly preferred to grow. Economic factors like from which crop they are earning more. Political factors. So these are the factors which come under human factor. The agricultural activity is primarily concentrated in those regions where the key factors for suitable agriculture exist. So these are the factors which favors climate agriculture in any region. Good to know. Some specific type of agricultures are given here. First is agriculture, the science, art and business of cultivation, soil, producing crops and raising livestock. It is also called farming. Next is apiculture, the rearing of bees for commercial or agricultural purpose is known as apiculture. Viticulture means the cultivation of grapes. Pisciculture means the breeding, hatching and rearing of fish under controlled conditions. Horticulture, the science or art of cultivating fruits, vegetables, flowers or ornamental plants. Sericulture. Sericulture is the cultivation, is the raising of silkworm to obtain raw silk. Types of farming. There are different types of farming or agricultural practices that are prevalent throughout the world. The scale of activity, the crops grown, the method used and the yield are four major elements that we consider while studying types of agriculture. While classifying agriculture into different types, four elements are important. The first is the scale of activity, whether it is small scale, whether it is done on the large area. Next is the crops grown, different type of crops. The methods, whether it is modern or traditional method, and the yield. Yield means production. So these are the elements. Farming can be classified into two main types, subsistence farming and commercial farming. The word subsistence means for livelihood, whereas commercial means to earn profit or money. So the type of farming which are done for the livelihood is known as the subsistence farming, whereas commercial farming is the type of farming which is done to earn money or profit.